It starts with the art of the possible is not understood, with the amazing things we can do, obviously, as long as we do it legally and responsibly. But we've got so much data, whether it is back office operational data, but on our clients. Now, look, obviously, if you're a bank or a mobile phone provider or a retailer, like you've said, you've got a heck of a lot of data on your clients. If you're a mining company or engineering, which are some of our guests, it's maybe you have a lot of data, but on a smaller amount of entities. Um, but if people understand what they can do with the data to get insights that humans are not able to see, and that for me is one of the great things about AI, if we do it correctly, it's seeing patterns that we can't see and answering questions we didn't even ask. But it comes back to a business strategy, and I'm sure we'll unpack that as we go. The so the short answer for me, if it's short, is it's because people don't realize what a gold mine they're sitting on and what they can do with it. Um, it's not a tick. It should not be a tick box. It is almost a business responsibility. And also, Akalin, I think it starts with the top leadership of the business who outsources it to the techies, and that's important, or to the vendors. But how do they align their board level business strategy to the data they have? And that's where there's a big mismatch in my experience.